Picture this. You're walking into a hotel lobby where Egyptian elegance meets modern luxury, and the first thing that hits you isn't just the stunning architecture, it's the realization that your room choice here might completely transform your entire vacation experience. The Grand Resort in Hurghada doesn't just offer accommodation. It provides a carefully curated selection of living spaces that cater to every type of traveler, from budget-conscious couples to families who want to live like royalty for a week. The classic rooms, starting around 35 square meters, might sound modest on paper, but step inside and you'll find yourself in a bright, airy sanctuary with either king or twin beds, where the real magic happens on your private balcony overlooking either the lush gardens or the sparkling pool area. These rooms prove that you don't need to break the bank to experience genuine comfort, complete with air conditioning that actually works, free Wi-Fi that doesn't cut out every 5 minutes, and a minibar that won't require you to take out a second mortgage to enjoy. But here's where things get interesting. The deluxe rooms stretch to 45 square meters, and suddenly you're not just staying somewhere, you're living somewhere. The additional space isn't just for show. It translates into a more spacious bathroom where you can actually move around without bumping into everything, plus those coveted sea views that make your morning coffee taste infinitely better. The junior suites take this concept even further with separate sitting areas that transform your accommodation into a proper retreat, complete with Nespresso machines because apparently regular coffee just won't cut it when you're watching the Red Sea stretch endlessly toward the horizon. What's particularly clever about these suites is how they've designed the private balconies. They're not just afterthoughts, but genuine outdoor living spaces where you can spend entire afternoons without feeling cramped. Now, if you're traveling with family or friends, the family suites become absolute game changers at around 85 square meters. 2 separate bedrooms, plus a living space, mean parents can actually have conversations after the kids go to bed, while the kitchenette provides that crucial flexibility for families who don't want to eat every single meal at a restaurant. The presidential suite, however, exists in its own category entirely. 120 square meters of pure indulgence with panoramic sea views, a private jacuzzi, and personalized service that makes you wonder if you should just cancel your return flight and move in permanently. But what really sets all these rooms apart isn't just the space or amenities. It's those thoughtful details like the handcrafted furnishings that reflect local culture and the vibrant textiles that somehow make even the most tired traveler feel instantly energized. Speaking of energy, let's talk about what happens when hunger strikes at the Grand Resort, because the dining situation here goes way beyond your typical hotel restaurant setup. Sajra restaurant stands as the crown jewel of the culinary experience, where Mediterranean cuisine gets the kind of treatment that would make Italian grandmothers nod in approval. The restaurant spans both indoor and outdoor seating for about 120 guests, but the real star isn't the capacity. It's the menu that features everything from grilled octopus salad that actually tastes like it was caught yesterday to seafood risotto that somehow manages to be both comforting and sophisticated. The operating hours stretch from early breakfast at 7 a.m. through dinner service until 11 p.m., which means you're never really stuck wondering where your next great meal is coming from. Palm Breeze Bar takes a completely different approach, embracing that laid-back poolside vibe where the dress code is basically, did you remember to put on clothes? The signature cocktails here, particularly the Red Sea Breeze, have achieved almost legendary status among returning guests, partly because they taste amazing, but mostly because they're strong enough to make you forget about whatever stress you brought on vacation. What's particularly genius about this setup is how they've positioned the bar to serve both pool loungers and beachgoers, creating this seamless flow between different relaxation zones. The Sahara Lounge adds another dimension entirely with afternoon tea service and those twice-weekly shisha evenings that transform the lobby into something resembling a scene from an exotic travel documentary. The weekly theme nights deserve special mention because Seafood Fridays at Sajra has become something of a local phenomenon, complete with live music that somehow enhances rather than overwhelms the dining experience. The kitchen clearly takes pride in sourcing fresh ingredients, and you can taste the difference in everything from the lamb tagine that falls off the bone to the fresh fruit smoothies that actually contain recognizable pieces of fruit rather than artificial flavoring. But perhaps the most telling detail about the dining experience here is how the staff seems genuinely excited to recommend dishes, rather than just reciting a memorized script. Water enthusiasts will find themselves facing a delightful dilemma at the Grand Resort because choosing between the main outdoor pool and the Alps, only infinity pool feels a bit like being asked to pick your favorite child. The main pool sprawls across approximately 800 square meters in a lagoon-style design that somehow manages to feel both impressive and intimate, with depths ranging from shallow children's areas to a proper deep end where adults can actually swim laps without constantly dodging inflatable unicorns. The swim-up bar represents peak vacation engineering. Imagine being able to order cocktails without ever leaving the water, served by bartenders who've mastered the art of keeping drinks dry while you're decidedly wet. The adults-only infinity pool operates on an entirely different philosophy, prioritizing serenity over excitement with its constant 1.5-meter depth and positioning that creates the illusion of swimming directly into the Red Sea horizon. This isn't where families congregate for Marco Polo tournaments. This is where couples rediscover the art of actual conversation and solo travelers remember what silence sounds like. The poolside loungers scattered throughout landscape gardens provide options for every sun preference, from those who want maximum UV exposure to shade seekers who prefer their relaxation with a side of protection from Egypt's enthusiastic sunshine. But the real star of the water experience is that 300-meter stretch of private sandy beach that serves as your personal gateway to the Red Sea. The beach service includes everything you'd expect, sunbeds, umbrellas, and towel provision, but also features dedicated lifeguards during daylight hours because apparently some people need reminding that the sea is deeper than it looks. Water sports options range from basic snorkeling gear rental for those who want to peek beneath the surface to full scuba diving excursions organized through affiliated operators who know exactly where to find the most spectacular coral formations. The kayaking and windsurfing lessons cater to everyone from complete beginners to those who think they remember how to windsurf from that one time in college 20 years ago. Activity options at the Grand Resort extend far beyond the typical hotel entertainment program, starting with a fitness center that actually contains equipment you'd want to use rather than machines that look like they survived several decades of questionable maintenance. The cardio equipment includes modern treadmills, bikes, and ellipticals that won't break down mid-workout, while the free weights section provides enough variety to satisfy everyone from casual exercisers to those who consider vacation an opportunity to maintain their rigorous training schedule. Personal trainers are available upon request, though the 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. operating hours mean you can work out whenever your energy levels peak rather than conforming to someone else's schedule. For checking, booking availability, and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.